Hello everyone, this is Rocket Chip Me Check. How's it going? How's it going? Let's eat. Get some chicken. Happy holidays. Alright. I'm gonna get these plates. Who's hungry for chicken? There we go. And get some gravy in here. Looks like there's mashed potatoes in there. Oh, okay, they got mashed potatoes in there too. Okay, never mind. Get a biscuit. Have a biscuit. Okay, I will. Get your coaster. One hand challenge, right? Tweety, my loves. Hey, Marchie TV. Hey, Marchie TV. I remember when you used to always get KFC. It's been a long time since you had KFC. ZIVRV blocks. Resub Asante. I like that. That wasn't me. That's somebody else. That's the Christmas tree. Mistletoe. Mom's little figurines. Ooh, yeah. Alright, see you in my next upload. Go to that channel.